Alright, the only reason I'm doing this is because I'm going to extend the back of this. And if I wreck it, I still have a video of this truck that I have modified to my desire. And I'm pretty proud of it. I've had it for over a year. I am going to put LEDs in there. I used to have LEDs. You can see the little yellow piece right there in the light. That right there is LED deals. And with the clear ones down here. I'm going to try and get them ones to work too. And then I think both of them work too. Can't quite remember. That's my wire feed right there. Let's see here. I know for a fact it turns. Um, One thing I did goof up when I built it is I goofed up the gear system down here. If I had my LED light working right now, I'd show you. Can't see it that great. It's backwards in there. The gear part's supposed to be on the other side. I do not have the motor in here at the current time. Although there's a pretty neat little feature that I like on this one. It's a winch brick. You can push this up and this will slide forward as you've seen. Hit this again. And then you can pull it out. Oh, there it stays. You can make it stay. And then if you push it in, it will suck it back up. I kept that feature in there. I put smokestacks on the back. That's different. I put black tires. I actually had spray paint for them. Turned out pretty well. And if I take this piece off, if I can get it, pop this whole piece off right here. Hold on. You'll see that I have a fire extinguisher right here. I got my steering wheel, my chair, and my door opens, like usual. The chair in here is pretty cool. Oh, there's a Lego in there too. I'm not gonna get it. I put wires in there for seat belts. This one didn't turn out so well. It moved away from where it's supposed to go. But chairs are modified actually too. Those were not the original chairs. Yeah, basically 90% of this truck I changed to my desire. And if I post this on YouTube, I hope you guys like it. This is my trailer. Like I said, I recently had LEDs there. If I can find my battery source here, I'll go with this guy just because it's easier. See if the light up. Oh. No, it did not light up. Okay. Let's see the other one is positive. I must have switched colors around. Those won't light up. I can't see it. But, yeah, those work. Those will run off a whole separate switch. And it's my four-wheeler that came with it. I lost a few pieces on it. I'm a little upset. Wow, it's a bright orange and it's actually dark red. So, when it turns and it's got little sharks on there, all junk. So, I hope you guys like it. If I ever post it. And, yeah, that's my truck. In fact, no, I'm not gonna move that. Um, so yeah.